Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to sell on Wix. So as you can see right here, we have different templates on Wix. So first and foremost, you have to sign up for a Wix account. So you just have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to type out wix.com. That's right. And then if you don't have an account yet, you just have to make your own account. Okay, so to check your account, just click on your profile at the top right of your screen. Okay, this one right here, and then go to your account settings. Okay, so here on your account settings, you'll be able to see here your first name, your last name, and then your site URL prefix. Okay, and then your account language. So make sure that everything in your account settings are correct. Okay, and then after that, you can also connect your social login. So, like the Google account and your Facebook account. Okay, so here you'd be able to see your login activity, and you have here your privacy preferences. And then, if you would like to close your account, just click on the close option. Now, going back here on the Wix Studio. Okay, so in this section, you'd be able to view your sites. So just simply click on the sites option. Now, to create your own site, you just have to simply click on this create a new site option at the top. And then you can start with the studio template, studio blank canvas, or the studio sitemap and wireframes. You can also use the Wix editor. So for this one, I'm just going to use the studio template. So just simply click on it. And then after that, right here, just have to search for your template. So you have this option, the e-commerce. So you just have to click on it. And then you'd be able to see here all of the responsive e-commerce templates that you can use for your store. Okay, so you just have to select the template that you think is the best for your store. So for example, this one, so you can view the store first before editing it. So we have here the desktop view for this template. You also have here the tablet view and the mobile view. Okay, so as you observe, all of the view are responsive. So it means that this template is a good template to be used. Okay, so I already selected my template right here, and this is the template that I am going to use. So before adding your products right here, next thing that you should do is to go to your dashboard. Okay, and then you have to accept one time or multiple payments for any item, service, or amount. So to get paid using these tools, first you have to connect a payment method. You just have to go here on the getting paid and then go to the connect and setup. That's right. And then click on the connect payment method. Okay, so here you just have to choose how to receive payment from customers for your business based on the Philippines. So it depends which region you are. Okay, so you just have to connect it. So we have manual payments as well, and we also have more payments when you click on this option. Okay, so here we have Hit Pay, Payment Wall, Online Payment by Send It, Dragon Pay, and more. So yeah, you just have to choose your payment method. After that, you just have to click on confirm. So make sure to click on the connect option, and you have here now the full instruction on how you can connect your payment. Now, going back to your website, let us now add here our products. Okay, so right here at the top left, as you can see, we have here our pages. Okay, so this is our homepage. We have the terms and condition, the privacy policy, refund policy. So this is the advantage of using the template because you already have pages. So all you need to do is to customize them according to the product that you are selling. Now, go to the product page. That's right. Just click on the product page. Okay, and then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so right here, you can add your own products. Okay, so in this section, we have this sample products. So here, if you want to change all of the product that you can see here, then you just have to simply click on that product. Okay, so here you have this manage product option at the top. So you just simply click on this one. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and you'd be directed to your dashboard. And then here you have your store products. So click on the products. So here we have all of the pre-products from this template. So all we have to do now is to remove or to check all of this product and then click on the delete option. Okay, so you have to delete everything because you will be adding manually the details of your product. For example, you're going to delete everything right here. Okay, and then you just have to click on the new product option at the top. That's right. So we have physical product, digital product, or print on demand. So I'm just going to choose the physical product. Okay, and then you just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, you can now add the details of your products. For example, we are selling dress, and then you can add here the images of your product. You can also add videos if you want to. Okay, so here you just have to upload your own media, but for this video, I'm just going to use media from Wix to show you the example. Okay, so I will be using this dress. Okay, so this is just a sample image, and then you just have to click on add to your website. And here for the basic info, we have the dress, the name, and then the ribbon, like for example, your arrival. And you also need to add the description of your product, and of course the pricing. Okay, do not forget the price of your product. And if this one is on sale, so you just have to click on it. Okay, and then you can also add here a product options. Okay, that's right. And then after that, you just have to click on save. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so I'm just going to close this one. So we already have here our product, so we just have to close this one. Then go back to our store. Okay, so currently we can't find here our product, but when we go here on the preview section at the top, okay, and then go to your home page. That's right. So just go to your home page and then go to the shop section. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, we have successfully added here our products. Now, if you have social media platforms, you can now share your products, promote your products using those accounts. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.